Yo, what's up? We're back again in the garage here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. And we got the exhaust all buttoned up. Got a couple things we got to finish before we can get ahead with it. But we're going to show you that here in a minute, go over some things and show you what it's looking like. So without further ado, let's take a look. So we got most of the exhaust all buttoned up, tightened. Had to do some mods. And we're waiting for some bolts to finish buttoning it up. But let's take a look. So we got the starter back in. The motor mount brackets are on. Motor mounts are in, except we got new bolts coming to bolt them down. That's the only thing that needs finished on this side. So the drop brackets and the mounts from BMR. And then on this side, we got the mounts in. Waiting for the bolts on this side, so I left the steering shaft disconnected so I can have easier access for it. We got all the O2's extensions buttoned up. So this side we ran down through there, and you can see it goes to that O2. Then this one right here, looped it around, comes right here, and looped it around, and it plugs up in there, right back there. It's kind of hard to get in here, but then for the rears, luckily we didn't need the extensions. But they're plugged back in there, you can see them. And oh yeah, there's the modifications we had to do. Holes might have not have had to be that big, but the way you gotta turn it up in there, that's how it kind of had to be. So if you get the ARH headers, American Racing headers, and the cat deletes, that's how the O2s are ran. So you might have been able to just cut a slit and bend them out the way. I don't know. This is what we did. And you could see the O2s are sticking up in there quite a bit. And then the O2 extensions that they gave us with these rear ones didn't even work. I don't even know what they're for. I don't know if the GTs have a different O2 sensor, but luckily we didn't have to use the extensions for the rear. So that's where the rears are plugged in. Just disconnected the plug and worked out. So check out that crazy double X pipe. Got to get the stickers removed. And yep, borla ataks all plugged back in. Boiler on the black tips. It's looking pretty sick. Try to get it pretty even. This is what the underneath of it's looking like. All buttoned up except them few little things. I just wanted to give you an update where we were with the exhaust. finished it all up, got all the bracketry in, all the bands are all tightened up. And then bam, that's what we're getting into next. May possibly start this up, like I said before, to check everything, but I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Long tubes are looking pretty sweet. So yeah, there you have it. Borla ataks are on, the BMR motor mounts and brackets are on. I gotta finish up a few things when some parts get in. Couple bolts waiting for, supposed to be in next week. Then we're gonna get back at modifying this GT500. So till them next videos, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons and tuning in. Peace.